Good morning, guys. It's February the 2nd. I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group, and once again I'm just going to run through what I'm looking for in the markets for the coming day. So yesterday was we had a bit of a sideways day. We had small rallies in Aussie and the Kiwi. Cable rallied nicely as well, back up to 144. And these have set everything up quite nicely for today. So Euro first, let's go for that one. Yeah, we have seen this upside taken on so far. We have pulled back to the 38 and we're kind of going to go up towards the first target. So I'll be expecting sort of a hold up if it goes now. If we get a hold up at 109.20, I expect then a pullback. We get back down into 108.80s, and I think that's probably quite a good buy zone for it then to go and take on the highs. Again, I'm looking at this up at 109.60. Well, between 109.40 and 109.80, should I say, to sell this, and I'll be looking for that again. So Euro strength until it gets there, and then I'll again be looking to sell it because obviously the moves down are quite significant when it does drop off. So as you can see, once we get up there, you have one swing and then second swing down, one swing and second swing down. So I'm looking for it to get up there and then one swing and the second swing down. So that's what I'm looking for Euro dollar currently. Cable. Cable's an interesting one. So we have rallied. This is a big close on the day. On the day, it's taken that range out. So we've broken above 144, and we're now pulling back. So now we're pulling back. It's just a normal fib sequence, and we're pulling back into this sort of 38 zone. So my feeling is that if you kind of break back below 143.50 and close below there on the hourly, you might then have this go back down to test the bottom side of the range. This could just be a false break. However, this is the big level, this is the big one that's been broken on the day, so we could see this now rally, and if this is a true rally in this, then I think up towards 146.90 is my target, but currently I'd be looking for a rejection down here at 143.50 area, and then I'm going to take it up to 145, so that's my trade for today if it does hold. If it doesn't, then we're going to see pound weakness, and we're going to see it trade back down to the bottom of this range quite quickly, and especially tomorrow that could be a good sell if we only close small down into this. But currently, I'm looking for a bounce. Got to play the fib, so the 38's down here at 143.67, and then we're going to expect that to turn around and then the 127 be hit, which lines nicely up with that 145 level I've got up there. So if that happens, then pound strength I think for today as well. Dollar yen's a good one as well. This is just a pullback, nothing too serious. I still think this goes higher. So what we could say here is that we're looking for this pullback maybe down into this zone. Maybe it just blips below 120. So you get a little blip below 120. Is there any? We've got to look where to try and find where the buyers are going to step in, right? And where are they going to step in? Well, underneath here. Yeah, so maybe just a blip under 120 and then we go again. However, if it takes this past market angle that I've got in out, then I'll be looking to buy that through that line as well. So this could be a good one if we kind of get down into this zone. This is my rejection zone, so I'm just going to put a box in here. Somewhere in this, I'm going to try and find a definitive area for you guys after I finish this webinar. What you could do is you could just fib the downward sequence, and let's see where that puts us. So if we fib this bit here, we've got A, B, pull back into the 38, so the D has now been hit. Okay, so you have hit the D on the downside now, so that's big. So the next one's going to take us down to where is that going to take us down to? Let's squeeze this out. The one that's going to take us down to 119.70. So you could get this pull back into 120 and reject, 120.80 and reject, and then we see this 119.60 taken on. But this could also be the turning point. You have completed the fib cycle, so we could now see this rally. So that's what I'm looking for dollar yen. Obviously, that will be significant dollar yen weakness if that happens. Dollar CAD, again, this past market angle worked really well yesterday. We've kind of gone down and broken and held. So we are very, very close to the D now, 139, and the D's down at 138.70. So another 30 odd pips to get. Again, just looking for this angle to break, and I think you get this one, and it takes the lows out, and we go on then to test that D down there. So that's what I'm looking for this one. Oil is sliding at the moment, but we're just pulled back into the deeper retracement zone now. So the target for oil on the top side, I'm looking up towards 36.70. So that's where I'm looking for oil potentially if we hold around this zone here that we're at the moment. So around 31.70. I'm looking for that then to go up higher. This could then break this trend line, and then we're off in this dollar CAD as well, down to 138.70. So I'd like that to complete really. This is a good level of support down here at 139. You've got the 50 EMA as well coming in here on the day. So quite a few reasons why this should hold here. So let's just see whether it does, and if it continues to hold, then obviously we've got to play Canadian dollar weakness. Okay, Aussie looked like it was going to turn over yesterday. It hasn't. It's a nice buy yesterday. We're still at that support, that 70.70 key level of support. I really like this to blip down into the 30s, and then we go higher, and then I think it trades significantly higher now. So yeah, if we do get that pullback gets completed, so we get into towards 70.20, 70.30 area. I then like to buy this, and I'm looking for a 71.80 target, which everything lines up to be. I actually passed all about that one because I think it's such a nice trade. So if you do get the option to buy it down here, I'd definitely be looking to buy it. So hopefully we get an Aussie sell-off into the morning. And Kiwi still sideways, still not really very interested in this one. We are at the top of the range in Kiwi now, so you've got to be looking for sells up here. So a 5-minute lower high, I'd be looking to take this one, and then I'll be looking to sell that down. Again, the target hasn't changed from the one that we talked about yesterday. 63.70 is still my target, and that's what I'll be looking for that one. So maybe just a small lower high, maybe Aussie and Kiwi sell off in the morning, and then Aussie bounces and Kiwi just holds. So that's what I'll be looking for. In terms of news, we've got a small bit of data out from the UK. We've got we've got construction PMI at 9:30. We've got GDT, which is New Zealand, so that's the dairy auction, and that comes out, it says tentative, so it comes out normally around 2:30, 3:30, and then we've got New Zealand news into the night. So I hope that's been useful. Please click to subscribe and never miss another video again. Andy's on the web, Andy's got a webinar today, so I'll put the link in the description below or add it later. And then, yeah, I'm going over to the virtual floor now, so come and join us over there. The link's in the description below. And have a good day trading. Thanks very much.